Education Damian Crawford says focus should be placed on recovery after learning loss.
If a basic school isn't re-engaged, then a parent's reintroduction into the working force is also delayed because somebody must take care of that child who is under the age of independence. And the unfortunate reality that we face is that other levels of schooling may be delayed because that somebody isn't necessarily an adult. The person that may be asked to offer care might be a third former who then can't go to school because there's no basic school to facilitate the child.
The Education Ministry says majority of schools have been reopened. Up to news time, TVJ News did not receive requested information on the number of students who have returned for week 1 of school. The ministry has committed to providing the data at a later date. Mr. Crawford believes there will be high levels of absenteeism, especially in Western Jamaica.
The research that I engaged with suggests that after 4 weeks, a student that is not performing is unlikely to return to school. It says that after 4 weeks, the person most likely to return is the one to do exam. The others might think it too far and it makes no sense for us to continue. It seems to me that the person to do an exam is saying, I've reached so far, might as well I finish. But that 9th grader will say, boy, school is not for me. The research said that once they start to work and to help the family, the parent become a person to encourage them not to return as well. Not only the student, but once they start to work, which include working on the parts of the farm.
The opposition spokesman on education has been an advocate for extending learning hours. Meanwhile, students who sat the grade 4 PEP exams in 2025 showed slight improvements in numeracy and literacy passes. The 2025 CSEC results also showed improvements. 19.2% of all students passed 5 or more subjects, including math and English. In 2024, it was 18%. Could Hurricane Melissa disrupt these gains?
I believe that the country must be in one voice, both from private and public sector, that there should be adequate investments in learning recovery so that we don't only speak to exams, but to all the processes that are going to carry the 3-year-old at basic school from dependence to independence.
Mr. Crawford was speaking with TVJ News recently at a meeting of the Rotary Club of Kingston. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.